Enjoy a peaceful paradise in a country setting. Corner lot with easy access KSC, Orlando and the beaches. 4-bedroom, 3-bath downstairs and a bonus room that can used as a bedroom, game room, or office. Open and spacious living area with sliders and a bay window by the eat-in kitchen. Master bathroom has 2 closets and huge bathroom area with dual vanities and a garden tub. Relax on the patio and enjoy the beautiful view. 3-car garage for your ATV or boating storage.